Yeah, okay, so I'm outside and here I'm first gonna assemble the drone, and I'm gonna show you how to open it and etc. and connect with the phone, and then we're gonna fly in this wonderful location. You can see I have this lake called Songwon. At the moment it's half frozen and mostly it's frozen actually. So yeah, so we're gonna have some fun here. So let's just open the drone first. So this is the drone I have. So this is the box. I have the three main components: the drone, the controller, and the battery pack, which has 3 batteries in the combo box. So let's just assemble the controller, the drone, and connect with the phone, and then go through some other stuff as well. So now I have my phone, Huawei P30. First thing, I'm gonna assemble the controller. So that's the controller. The first thing you need is the 2 joysticks that you have to connect. Let me connect the other one. And then we have this cable that comes with it. Actually it's already attached with it, so you have to connect one side here, and so that's connected. And then just open the handles or whatever that's called, and then just put your phone first, connect the cable down there with your phone. So now that is connected, and then just lock your phone in these supporters or these arms. I would call it, yeah, maybe it's arm is the good word. Open the antennas. It's very important that you open the antennas, because without the antennas they're not gonna work properly. They will work but not properly. So this one is done. Now just open the drone. I have the drone here. First thing is you have these instructions written here. So first take out the top leg or the arm outside, and then twist around that one in the bottom. So you have to make it round, turn it round as is mentioned here. It's the same for the other one. So do that. So now it's open. I have this cap. Remove the cap. And you also have to insert a battery here. So you just open it, and like you can see, so this is the battery place. So just place the battery, close it, and just check if there is any paper or something still there. After that, you have to probably it will tell you to calibrate the gimbals, which you have to hold like this for some time, I think, for some seconds, or you have to make it turn it around for some time, and before it shows a sign that hold it like this and turn it around. So you have to do both these steps for to calibrate the gimbal. Yeah, so that's the main basic things. But now I'm gonna connect the drone and the controller. So let's connect the drone and the controller. The button you see here that has the red dot, that's for recording, and the one on the right, that's for taking stills. You have also a wheel here. You see the wheel, that's for when you put the camera up and down. You cannot do the camera left and right, therefore that you have to remove your drone. And yeah, and we have the home button here. So we have a home button, so if you want to bring the drone back to the home point. And we also have, this is the power button. So let's just switch on the controller. So to switch on the controller, you have to press 1 and then a long press. So you have a 2 press, and then you can hear the voice. It's the same with the drone. So you have this button here, 1 and 2, and then you can hear this small click noise, and then also the beep. So this means it's switched on. Drone and controllers are ready. So I'm gonna go to the DJI Fly app. That's the DJI Fly app, and that's the app. And then I can click on the Go Fly, and now you can see it's getting ready. It's connected. I have the IMU here, which I told you. But if I hold it, because I'm holding this in my hand, that's why it's showing this. That's me, by the way, so you can see. This drone doesn't have any sensor detectors. It just have a sensor in the bottom, that's for detecting the position for landing. Beside that, left, right or top, it doesn't have a sensor to avoid detection or something, so you have to be very careful when flight. So I'm gonna take it up straight and then I'm gonna fly it. So let's just fly. To fly the drone, I press this arrow sign on the left in the middle, and then I have this screen. I have to keep it pressed. Once the green light is finished, it goes up.
The home point has been updated. Please
So
check
the
it on
drone
the map.
is up. I'm gonna press the recording. Now you can see it's recording. I'm gonna move the camera here. So the joystick on the right is for right movement. So if I'm doing this is right movement, and it's the left movement. And if I push it up, then it comes forward to me. If I push it back, it goes back. And the joystick on the left is for taking the drone down, taking the drone up, and also spin the drone from left to right or from right to left. Okay, let's just fly and check the different modes: the position mode, the sports mode, and the cinema mode. Drone is up, and the first thing I'm gonna fly is in P mode. As you can see on the left right side, it's mode P. If I click it, goes to cinema sports mode. Then I have a cinema mode. So first we'll try fly in position mode. So let's just fly. Goes forward. The speed is not very fast in this mode, but it's still better. Now I can change it to the sports mode. That's gonna fly a little bit faster. It can reach up to 27 km/h in the sports mode. I think the best one is the cinematic mode. So now I'm in the cinema smooth mode. So now it's gonna fly very smoothly. So if I put the camera a little bit up, so you can see it's flying very slowly, but it's capturing the best quality videos. Click the lock down in the right corner. You can lock the aperture. You can set the aperture from 0 to plus to minus. That's up to you. 2.7K at this moment. I can go to 1080p as well with 60 frame, 50 frame, 30 or 25. With 2.7 I can have only 30 frames and 25 frames. With the photos I can have single, or I can have a timed shot. So there's different options. I have also quick shots. Let me just show you how the quick shots work. I have these 4 options. The drone that where the drone goes back from you, far from you. The rocket that goes up. circle is just circling. And the last one is helix, where it moves in circle, but it's gonna from time to time it's gonna get far from you. By the time it completes the circle, it will be like far from, so it's getting outside the circle while circling. If you go on the top here, you have these options, different kind of safety options. You have a control options, you have a camera options, where you have advanced settings options, you have a transmission options, and you have about, where you can check for updates and these things, and firmware updates, etc. So these are some of the functions. Yeah. So now it's giving me a warning for the battery. There you go. So let me just land this, because I have a low battery sign. It's 19%, but it's still telling me the battery is low. So I'm gonna press the land, keep it pressed. So it will just land. Or you can it will land. You can also hold it and then upside down and it will stop. Yeah. So yeah, so that was the everything about this drone. It's a small drone, but it's very powerful. I never thought it's going to be that good. Yes, it has a very good quality pictures and videos, so I will strongly recommend that. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button down there. And I also have some other videos related to this drone in my description, so you can also check that. I have the part 3 of this drone. I also have the unboxing, you can also check that. Yeah, thank you for watching, and take care. See you next time. Bye.